It's out in front of me. I'm afraid I won't be able, and I'll go down in defeat. And he said, do you remember where I brought you from? Just take a look behind you at how far you come. Oh, and every time you ask me, didn't I deliver you? So why would you be thinking that I wouldn't see you through? And didn't I walk on the water, and I calmed the raging sea? I spoke to the wind, it hushed, and I gave you peace. Didn't I run to your rescue? Didn't I hear you when you called? I walked right beside you just so you wouldn't fall. And didn't I leave all of heaven just to die for your sin? I searched until I